Okay, children. So, what is the answer? Okay, first we are discussing the max. I think all the questions. Okay, listen, for the max and applied max, only the first question and 17th question will be different. And the remaining are all same. Same question paper only given for both the max and applied max, except this question, first one and 17th one. So first one when we discuss the answer for max. Okay, tell me what is the answer? What is the value of x and y? The real values of x and y. If, what is the question given here? If x plus iy into 2 minus 3i is equal to 4 plus I. What is the value of x? What is the value of y? Yes, Mehrin? What do you have to do? You have to open this bracket. Is or no? So 3x 2yi minus s 3i square y is 4 plus I. So I, what is the value of x and what is the value of y? And equate x is 5 by 13. And what is y value?
14 by 13.
Yes, 14 by 13. Okay. Okay. And for applied max, what is the first question asked here? Binary form of 250. Binary form of 250. What is the answer, Roseanne? When you divide by 2, it is 125. Now here, again, okay, 125, 0. 64, 1. Okay, sorry, 62, 1. Then you divide it, 31, 0. Again, when we divide it, 15, 1. 2, 7, 1. Again, you divide it by 2. We'll get, you divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, balance 1. Again, divided by 2, 1, 1. So you get 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 0, 1, 0. Is it correct? Is it correct, Roseanne? Give your answers. Is it correct? Now, next one. Which is the null set? Second one. Which is the null set? Which of? Huh?
Option B.
Option B. X is a even prime number greater than 2. Okay, these are all easy questions. Is that no? Next one. Third one. R is set of all ordered pair xy, where x square plus y square is equal to 169. Then the domain of R is, what is the answer? X square plus y square is 169. What is the answer? Then you, okay, x and y belongs to whole numbers. Yes?
B.
B is wrong. What is given here? It is given as whole numbers. I don't know. In B, the negative numbers are there. X and y belongs to W. So the answer is A, 0, 5, 12, 13. Next one. Two finite sets A and B are such that A is contained in B. Then which of the following is not correct?
B minus A.
B minus A is it D? What is B minus A?
Option D.
Option D. Next one, fifth one. F of x is 5x square plus 2. What is f of 3 into f of 2? F of 3 into 5 into 3 square plus 2, isn't it? It is 5 into 3 square plus 2 plus 5 into 2 square plus 2. Five into 3 square plus 2 into 5 into 2 square plus 2. So when you simplify, what you will get? 5 into 9 plus 2 into 5 into 4 plus 2. So it is 47 into 22. What is the answer?
103.
1034.
1034. Next one. n of A is P, n of B is Q. Then the number of functions from A to B. Number of functions from A to B.
raised to P.
Q raised to P. Next one, domain of the function x square minus 9. Domain of the function. So square root is there. So whenever domain is defined means it must be greater than or equal to 0, isn't it? So what will be the answer? X square minus 9 is greater than or equal to 0. So x square is greater than or equal to 3. So it will be from minus 3 to plus 3. If nothing is given, we have to take always real values. Okay. The next one, what about the 20th term of the sequence? What is the 20th term of the sequence? So we'll get, in the place of n, you have to put n as 20, isn't it? So 20 into 18 by 23. So what will be the answer? Is it B? B. Then how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 4? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 4? Valentina, what is your answer?
22.
22. Others, please check. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 10th one. If Sn is equal to 3n plus 2n square, then the common difference of the AP is 4. Is it correct, Niranjan? Are you getting the answer as 4? Then, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about the others? Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at the next one. 2 more questions. Insert 6 arithmetic means between 2 and 16. Insert 6 arithmetic means between 2 and 16. So what is the answer? Between 2 and 16, you have to insert 6 numbers. So what are the numbers you will get?
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Next one, 12th one. 12th one. What is given here? Sum of 3 numbers in AP is 24. 3 numbers. So you take that numbers be A minus B, A plus B. The sum is 24. So when you add these numbers, it is 24. So we get plus B minus D gets cancelled. So we get 3A is 24. So A is 8. And the product is 440. Product means A minus B into A plus B is 440. So now what is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square into A is 440. A is 8. 8 square minus B square into 8 is 440. So we can write 8 square means it is 64 minus B square is equal to 440 by 8. By cancelling by 4, 110 by 2, it is 55, isn't it? So 64 minus 55 is D square. So D square is 9. Therefore, D is plus or minus 3. So when A is 3, D is plus 3, the numbers are, sorry, A is 8. And D is 3 means we'll get the numbers as 5, 8, 11. And if we take A as 8 and D is minus 3, in that case, the numbers are 11, 8, 5. Am I correct, children? Are you getting like this? How
Yes,
many
ma'am.
of, yes. How many of you solved this question? Raise your hands. Only, okay, look at here. Only 4 of your videos are on. Alantina, what happened? Alantina, is it correct? Yes, okay. What about the others, Pranav? Yes, just raise your hands. Let me see how many of you have solved it. Vinayak? Okay. Okay, okay.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
you repeat 7th question?
7th one. It is closed minus 3, 3. Okay. Now look at the next one. Define greatest integer function. Draw its graph. It's a direct question, isn't it? Define greatest integer function. Draw its graph. Did you draw the graph? Greatest integer function means it gives the greatest integer contained in it. Okay. So, and its graph, it will be like a step function. Next one, 14th one, give the domain and range of the function. F of x is equal to modulus of x minus 3. Give the domain and range of the function. What is the domain? What is the domain of modulus of x? Modulus x can be defined for all real numbers, isn't it? So the domain is R. Domain is R, isn't it? And what is the range? What is the range, Meherin?
0 to infinity.
0 to infinity. Next one, 15th one. A Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, in which 2 elements are given, minus 1, 0 and 0, 1. Find the set A and the remaining elements of A cross A. What about the set A? In set A, which are the 2 elements you will get?
-1, 0 and 1.
Negative 1, 0 and 1. Okay. And the remaining elements also you can write, isn't it? You have to write the Cartesian product and you have to write which are the elements not present. Next one, 16th one. That is also a direct question. In a class of 60 students, 25 play cricket, 20 play tennis, and 10 play both. Find the number who play neither. What is the answer? You have to
25.
25. Okay, first we have to find n of A union B, isn't it? Then you have to subtract it from the total number. And the next one is find the multiplicative inverse. In order to find the multiplicative inverse, we will multiply and divide by the conjugate, isn't it? Next one, define the power set. Define the power sets. Okay, each one carries 1 mark. If the definition is not proper, okay, you have to write it properly. The next one, write the power set of that element you have to write. And if n of A is m, then what is n of P of A? And the next one, 19th one. Similar question and all we have discussed. I have told you that type of question is important. So, okay, now whether you are able to attempt all the questions, whether the time is sufficient for you? Yes or no? Malavika is laughing. Yes. Now we can. Yes, we can do 2 more. Yes.
Now, question number 7, when we take -3 to 3, then if we if we give x the value -2, then inside the root it will be a negative value.
Oh, sorry. Yes, you'll get closed to 0, 3 only, isn't it? X square must be greater than or equal to 0. Root of x square, isn't it? 1 second, I'll check it. F of x is root of x square minus 9. X square minus 9 must be greater than or equal to 0 means x square is x greater than or equal to plus or minus 3. Yes. So when you put -2, what you will get? -2 the whole square minus 9. You'll be getting, which is not possible, isn't it? So the possibility is here. If it is 9 minus x square, it is okay. -3 to 3 is okay. But here it is x square minus 9. So x square must be bigger, isn't it? So what is the answer? Note down, children, note it. What is the answer?
Negative infinity to
Negative?
infinity to -3 union 3 to infinity.
Negative infinity to 3. Union 3 to infinity. Yes. If you put 3, it is okay. Negative 3. And if you take any numbers between -3 to 3, okay, if you take any number, if you put 2, okay, here this value x square must be greater than 9. X square must be greater than or equal to 9. That means x must be greater than or equal to 3, or x must be greater than or equal to -3. That means it takes from -infinity to -3, union 3 to infinity. Yes. Okay. So 7th question. Okay, although I read the question, I'm in my mind, I'm thinking about 9 minus x square, not x square minus 9. Okay. Now is it correct, Shabari?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Now we can we'll do, I think, in AP. What is the question? The last question we discussed in AP. Just read out the question. Or if you know the question number, you tell me from exercise 9.2. From exercise 9.2. So whether we discussed 16th question. 16th question, is it over, Malavika? Exercise 9.2. Between 1 and 31, m numbers were inserted. Huh? No. Okay. 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 Take that question, children. We can discuss that one. That is an important question. That is again an important question. Between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted in such a way that the resulting sequence is an AP. And the ratio of 7th and m minus 1th numbers is 5:9. Find the value of m. So look at here. Listen, all of you. Sit straight, children. Sit straight. Keep your pen, everything down. You can write it afterwards. First, listen. So it is given between 1 and 31, we insert m numbers. We insert m numbers between 1 and 31. So when you insert m numbers between 1 and 31, what will be the total number of terms in this AP? Okay. What will be the number of terms in AP? We insert m numbers. So the number of terms in the AP will become m plus 2. Is or no? Is it clear, children? So between 1 and m, I am inserting n numbers. Suppose the numbers we insert. Okay. Suppose the numbers I denote this as A1, A2, etc. up to Am. So the first number we insert will be same as second term of the sequence. The first number we inserted will be same as second term of the sequence. The second number we inserted will be same as the third term of the sequence. Okay, and so on. So how we can do this? Here, the first term is 1. When n numbers were inserted, m plus 2th term, am plus 2 is 31. So a plus m plus 1d is 31. A is given as 1. So 1 plus m plus 1 into d is 31. Therefore, m plus 1 into d is 30. Therefore, m plus 1 into d is 30. Now look at the question here. Look at the question, what is given? Between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted in such a way that the resulting sequence is an AP. The resulting sequence is AP, and the ratio of m 7th and m minus 1th numbers, the ratio of the 7th number, okay, and the m minus 1th number. Listen, children. Okay, 7th number by m minus 1th number. The ratio of 7th number by m minus 1th number. So what is meant by 7th number? 7th number means it will be same as 8th term of the sequence. Is it correct? The first number will become the second term of the sequence. The second number we inserted will become the third term. So in such a way, if you insert the seventh number, it will become the eighth term of the sequence. By m minus 1th number means it will become the mth term. It is same as 5 by 9. The ratio is given as 5 by 9. What is A8? A plus 7D by AM. AM means it is A plus m minus 1 into D. It is 5 by 9. Now the value of A is given. What is A? 1. So 1 plus 7D by 1 plus m minus 1 into D is 5 by 9. Okay, now open the bracket, cross multiply, simplify. Okay, name this as equation 1. Here you cross multiply 9 into 1 plus 7D is equal to 5 into 1 plus m minus 1 into D. So 9 plus 9 sevens are 63D is equal to 5 plus 5MD minus 5D. Now group the terms. From here you can substitute for D, isn't it? D is 30 by m plus 1. Substitute for D and find out what is the value of m. Try to do this. Tell me after calculating, give me the value of m. Finished? That one is it over? Value of m? Write the next one. Next one, write the next question. A man, okay, write the question. A man starts repaying a loan. A man starts repaying a loan as first installment. A man starts repaying a loan as first installment of rupees 100. A man starts repaying of loan with rupees 100. He increases his installment by rupees 5 each. He increases his installment by rupees 5 . He increases his installment by rupees 5 every month. So he increases his installment by rupees 5 every month. What amount he will pay? What amount he will pay in the 30th installment? What amount he will pay in the 30th installment? What amount he will pay in the 30th installment? Find this one, children. So what is given here? He starts repaying amount 100, isn't it? So A is 100. And what is the common difference? Every month he increases by rupees 5. So we want to find what is the amount he will pay in 30th installment. That means what you have to find? You have to find 830, isn't it? What is 830? A plus 29D. It's a direct question, isn't it? Apply this value and find out.
$245.
This 245. Yes. Is it okay? Is it okay, children? So with this we stop. Okay, with this AP topic is over. In the next class, we'll start with geometric progression. Okay. Okay, children, with this we wind up. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.